Most small YouTubers struggle to get views on YouTube and rely on luck in order for their videos to go viral. Now, what if I told you in this video that there are 4 SEO hacks that can literally make the YouTube algorithm push your videos? Now, if you are struggling to get views and have never gone viral, watch this video till the end. I have tested this strategy myself and the results are amazing, as you can see. So if you're also struggling to get views on YouTube, these hacks will help the YouTube algorithm push your videos. So before we even proceed, like this video, and if you're ready to go viral, in the comment section, let me know. Just type "I'm ready." And if you have not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button so that you never miss more hacks like this one. So let me take you straight into it. So the first SEO hack is renaming your video file name. Now, whenever you export your video from the editor with its generic file name and fail to rename it, this one means that the YouTube algorithm will not rank your videos, because normally the YouTube algorithm scans all the metadata and the details of your videos. So always make sure that after exporting your videos from the editor, edit the generic name and put the keywords that mirror your video title. Do that to your thumbnails and your videos, and you will see the YouTube algorithm rank your video and appear in the top searches whenever people are looking for such keywords. The second SEO hack that can make your videos go viral is to use keywords within the first 2 lines of your video descriptions. Most creators think that whenever they spread the keywords throughout their video descriptions, that's when the YouTube algorithm recognize and rank their videos. You are wrong. The YouTube algorithm usually gives priority to the first 2 lines of your description. So make sure that the first 2 lines mirror your title with the key searchable words. So don't always spread many keywords throughout your description. Just focus on the first 2 lines, because that's what the YouTube algorithm prioritizes most. For example, in my niche, which is YouTube growth, if my title is how to grow your YouTube channel, so this is how my video description will look like. I'll say, are you struggling to grow your YouTube channel? Now in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get more views fast in order to grow your YouTube channel. You see how I've incorporated the keywords within the first line. I have grow your YouTube channel and get more views fast. These are searchable keywords, and whenever YouTube algorithm scans my entire video descriptions, it will prioritize the first 2 lines and rank my video in the search. Hack number 3 is to use the relevant hashtags. Many creators use many hashtags in their video descriptions which are so irrelevant. YouTube focuses on the first 3 hashtags, so make sure that whenever you use hashtags, just use the most relevant hashtags, and they should be a maximum of 3. The YouTube algorithm gives priority to the first 3 hashtags. So make sure that the first 3 hashtags are specific to your video and the most relevant. SEO hack number 4 that can literally make your video go viral is to use keywords in your video timestamps. Timestamps are the chapters if you want. So whenever you write your video chapters within your video descriptions, make sure that the titles of the chapters are fully optimized with keywords. If you think that the keywords are so competitive from other bigger creators, always make sure that you add long tail to them. Use long tail keywords so that you beat the competition from bigger YouTubers who use such words regularly. In your timestamp, instead of writing like, for example, intro, just say intro, how to get more views. You see, how to get more views, that's a searchable term on YouTube. Whenever people search for such keywords, your video will be ranked and it will appear in your timestamp. Last but not least is always make sure that whenever you start your video, always ensure that your first sentence is rich with keywords that are specific to your video. You see, most creators ignore this. Most creators usually start like this. Whenever they start their videos, they start like, "Welcome to my channel. Hey guys," please stop that. In order to rank higher on YouTube search and get recommended by YouTube, make sure that your first sentence is rich with keywords that are specific to your video. For example, if your video is about how to grow your YouTube channel, your first sentence should start like this. Are you struggling to grow on YouTube? In this video, I'll share with you the tips that will help you grow fast on YouTube and also get recommended. You see, the first sentence is rich with keywords that are specific to this kind of video. So YouTube usually transcribes what you say and rank according to what you say. They usually scan your transcript and help it rank your video. So if your transcript is not rich with keywords, YouTube or your video will get lost in the shadows. So make sure that your first 2 lines are optimized with keywords so that you can rank higher in the search. So there you have it. Now you have all the 4 tricks that you can use in your next video upload so that you can make your video go viral. So if you liked this video and if you found value in it, like it, and in the comment section, let me know if you are ready to go viral. Just say, "I'm ready." And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you never miss more smart hacks like this. See you in my coming video.